Muhammad Azamir Ramlan, ID student 202305 D0041. Okay, my part is financial planning. Effective financial planning is essential for the success and sustainability of Eco Cafe International. This section provides sales forecast for the first 3 years and detail the startup costs required to launch a business. Sales forecast for 3 years. The sales forecast is based on market research, anticipated customer demand, and the strategic location of the cafe in Bukit Bintang. These projections are conservative estimates the account of seasonal variation and growth in the brand awareness. Year 1 cost RM 500,000. Rationally, initial launch, marketing initiative, customer acquisition. Year 2 cost RM 600K. Rational, brand recognition, expand offerings, and customer feedback. Year 3 RM 750K. Rational, market penetration, business optimization, and community engagement. Startup cost RM 300K. Renovation and setup cost RM 60K. Equipment purchase cost RM 100K. Initial inventory cost RM 40K. Marketing and branding cost RM 20K. License and permit cost RM 10K. Working capital cost RM 70K. The financial plans aims to provide a strong foundation for Eco Cafe International and enabling the business to achieve sustainable growth and profitability over the long term. By carefully managing costs and leverage the startup funding, the cafe will be well positioned to capitalize on market opportunity and meet the sale target. Summary and conclusion. Eco Cafe International is set to capture a significant share of Malaysia's growing coffee market by offering a unique combination of sustainability, quality, and community engagement. The cafe focuses on organic, fair trade coffee, eco-friendly products, appeals to environmentally conscious consumers, and sets it apart from competitors. Key strength is 1. Sustainability focus, 2. Quality offering, 3. Community engagement, 4. Strategic location, 5. Innovative marketing. Conclusion. Eco Cafe International aims to become a leading player in the Malaysian coffee industry by consistently delivering exceptional customer experience and expanding its reach. The cafe plans to introduce new menu items, explore additional locations, and enhance sustainability effort to drive long-term success. With a clear vision and dedicated team, Eco Cafe International is well positioned in thrive in the competitive landscape and make a positive impact on the community itself. Next is Appendix 1. Market value, 2. Coffee shop menu, 3. Financial project, 4. Expense breakdown, 5. Profit and loss statement, 6. Cash flow statement. Next is the reference.
My name Muhammad Faisal bin Romli, ID number 202305D0050. Significance of the study. For educators, help educators improve teaching strategies aligned with NEP. For policymakers, assist policymakers in refining NEP implementation. For curriculum designers, support curriculum designer in integrating NEP more effectively. For student, enhances holistic student development by aligning philosophy with practice. Literature review, philosophy in education. Knowledge framework. Philosophies provide a framework for knowledge, ethics and personal growth. Critical thinking, support critical thinking, reasoning and moral decision making. Public ethics, influences public ethics and contribute to societal duties. Real world application, philosophical principle help students analyze real world issue effectively.
Hello, my name is Tajul. I will explain slide 7 and 8. Literature review, National Education Philosophy, NEP. Establishment. Established in 1988 as a guiding principle for Malaysian education. Development goals aim to develop well-rounded individual. Theoretical foundation integrate humanistic education principles like Maslow, Edigate, and Vygotsky. Current challenge. Many students are unaware of NEP's role in their academic journey. Next, slide number 8. Methodology research design. Number 1. Research approach. Quantitative study using structured survey. Number 2. Data collection. Online survey via Google Forms. Number 3. Survey instrument. Multiply choice, like scale and open-ended question. Number 4. Research focus student awareness, perception and application of NEP principles. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Introduce myself, Chupa Somnet, ID student 202305D0035. Methodology, sample and population. First, target group. Target group 30 students from diverse academic background. And second, field of study. Field of study business, IT, science and humanities. Third, perspective range. Ensure broad perspective on online learning and NEP integration. And fourth, sampling method. Convenient sampling used for accessibility and time efficiency. Finding awareness of NEP, 85% overall awareness of students are aware of NEP. 60% weekly engagement. Engage with NEP related education content weekly. 80% business and engineering. High awareness among business and engineering students. And 50% humanities students show lower engagement. Finding impact on academic performance. Positive impact and no impacts. 70% believe online learning. 8 academic of achievement. Regular user report better academic outcome. 30% see no impact. possibility due to lack of engagement or curriculum mismatch, NEP. Holistic approach may not be fully realized in current education practices.
My name is Nuhayati binti Tamizi. I will read the last slide. Conclusion. NEP play crucial role in holistic education but is not fully implemented by students. Online learning platform are benefit but cannot replace traditional educated. Awareness at attainment level vary across academic disciplines. More inclusive implementations in lead align NEP with a more world application. Recommendation. Curriculum integration. Remove curriculum in independent SNAP concept. Contact inception. Assessment contact equality update course material equality. Hybrid learning. Develop hybrid learning model combining online and traditional education. Target strategies provide disciplinary strategies and engagement. Last, training program. Train education and students for the better adaptation at digital learning. Thank you so much.